Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be stuffing my tax refund. I'm really not going to be stuffing a lot, so I'm just going to go ahead and hop right in. So the only cash envelope that I'm going to be stuffing with my refund is spending, and it's going to be getting 65. That's going to be in 220s, 110. I'll take some tattered 5s if there are any. No, these look fine. So 2 5s and 5 1s. So that's 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to be adding that to what we have here. I only have $12 in spending. So spending for the next 2 weeks now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 77. All right, and that is it for my cash envelopes. We can leave these off to the side here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and hop into my rose gold binder here. I'm going to move my 2 clear binders off to the side. And pretty much majority of these are going to be getting $5, except for I think home and an electronic transfer that I did with my travel envelope. So wish list is going to be getting $5, and it now has 500, 520, 540, 560, 570, 575, 580. So 580 in wish list. Next, we have travel, and I did transfer $300 electronically into travel, so it's not physically going to be getting anything. I do need to make another placeholder for it because right now I only have this $500 placeholder. So once I get around to that, I will count it. But just know that I got $300 electronically. Next is Adventures, and Adventures is getting $5. So Adventures now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 460, 465, 470, 71, 72. So 472. Next is Christmas, and Christmas is getting $5. So Christmas now has 500, 600, 650, 655. Next, we have clothing, and clothing is also getting $5. And it now has 100, 120, 140, 145, 150. So 150 in clothing. Next is holidays, and holidays is getting $5. I know, I keep repeating that. I said most of them are going to get 5s. So holidays now has 100, 150, 170, 175, 180, 181, 82, 83. So 183 in holidays. And that is it for my rose gold binder. Next, we're going to move on to one of my clear star binders here. Just put my keychain down to hold the flap down here. So home is going to be getting $50. And this is a priority to me because, of course, I want to make my home as comfortable as possible. So home now has 100, 200, 250, 270, 290. So we're almost at 300. Next we have beauty, and beauty is getting $5. So beauty now has 100, 120, 125, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 129. And lastly, we have gifts, and gifts is going to be getting $8, and that should be the rest of this. 5, 6, 7, 8, yes. The next birthday I have coming up is my mom's in April, so I definitely need to start bulking up this envelope. So gifts now has 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4. So 104 in gifts. Actually, it's my mom's and my two brothers have birthdays in April, so I definitely need to start focusing on this envelope a little more. All right, you guys, and that is it. I really did not get back that much from my tax refund, but I did decide to contribute just what I could to my cash envelopes, and that's the important thing to me, is just making sure I'm contributing something when I can. But as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next cash stuffing that I have for March. Bye.